Very tasty instant Ragi Dosa recipe at home. Take 1 carrot, 4 green chilies, coriander and 1 onion. Cut the onion into fine pieces. Cut the 4 green chilies. Cut coriander. Peel the carrot and grate it. Add the vegetables into a separate bowl. Add 2 spoons of ragi flour. Add 4 spoons of rice flour. Add jeera. Add salt according to taste. Mix them well. Add water according to the consistency level of a dosa. The more you mix the batter, the dosa will become more crispier. Mix them properly. Add the carrot, coriander, onion and green chilies from earlier. Give them a good mix. Switch on the gas stove and place your tawa. Pour the ragi dosa batter on top of the tawa. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. As you can see, it's very tasty. My mouth is getting watered just looking at that dosa. Flip the dosa. And just like that, your ragi dosa is done. Pair it with a side of chutney and ghee. It will be the best combination ever. Make sure to give it a try at home. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.